What it do, gang? Today we got a light day. Nothing too crazy to do. Finna go pull up on my boy Hippo. Install the whole rear cradle. Got a Hellcat, and I think shut your ass up. He got a little cat, kiss the curve or whatever, and we couldn't figure out which control arm to replace. So here we just gonna replace the whole rear cradle. But I got my shopping out of town or whatever, so we can't actually take the car all the way there. So what we finna do is we finna go pick him up, and we finna go all the way to Harbor Freight. And we're going to just get the tools new. I got a couple of my tools. I got my toolbox. I got a couple. Got impads and stuff like that. But heavy stuff like my jack and stuff, I ain't got that. So we finna go pick him up and go get those tools. And I guess we're going to come back to his house and try to knock it out. I don't know how long it's going to take. Typically when I do a swap, it don't take me that long to get the real cradle out. But it's also because I can't take them hoes out carelessly. And I got to bleed his brakes again as well. So that's another thing added on top. So we're gonna need some brake fluid. We're gonna need, what else we gonna need? Brake fluid. We're gonna need the tools so I can bleed the brake fluid. Brumbo always have an 11 millimeter for their bleeder screw. We're going to need the 18. We're gonna need 2 grip plies to get that brake line off. I got the 10 millimeter. We're gonna need an 18 millimeter ratchet, not the socket and ratchet, but a ratchet and wrench. And we should be able to get a majority of it taken care of. I got my tripod with me. You know what I'm saying? I got my little, my little pop-up with me. So y'all better see the work so we get done and shit. But I ain't gonna hold y'all a little too much. I'll see y'all when I get to his house to pick him up. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I look like Punch maybe dead, but I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, so we just pulled up to this nigga house, and I've been at this bitch probably a good about 20 minutes. I'm gonna have to go knock on that nigga door, hollering a goddamn sauna out this bitch. Let me see. Like, this bitch sweating goddamn bullets. That bitch look good back there, don't she? I already know. Let me see. Nigga probably in that whole sleep. Damn, come on. Wow, this bitch look like Afro Funk, goddamn. I can't even put your ass down, folks. Made it to the freak. Real husk. Pulled up, finna go get tools. Knock this out. Show y'all everything I need.
You got you a good one there. A boy, girl.
Boy? Damn, boy, you already attracting teams. Doing pretty good. Well, y'all turn heads like a motherfucker, don't you? I better get y'all a dog, man. Motherfucker bringing clientele at this point. 3-ton, low profile, long reach. Where them hoes at? I think right here. 3-ton, low profile, long reach. That's the one I got. I got orange. Some hoes are not like, damn. That's why I got them. I always wanted that type of dog. How many think I paid for them?
Shit, what?
Nope.
How much you pay for it?
150.
For real? Damn.
If you know somebody that had bred it, and they were just trying to get rid of it.
But that hoe gonna get big like a wolf dog, bitch.
And my dancer just took his spot to sit at. I don't know if you don't like that. We can let that hoe back cross. Damn. I need to do something about this shit right here.
Man.
Goddamn, this bitch ain't coming back.
What this did the same one for now.
Same thing. But that would sit up higher and it don't go far. You need low reach because your car sit low as fuck. Then you need long reach so it can actually go to the cradle from up under. Down. You gotta put that shit back. No one of them just slide over there. Alright. You need $2, 2 or 4, but 2 will work. Or just use one at a time. Dolly. When I learned this hat right here, boy, I became a lot more valuable.
To my city cradle, I'm gonna just roll.
Hell yeah. Torch. That damn boogie right here. Alright. Now we need this damn thing.
So we need a torch.
Torch. Pick tools right here. $1.99.
That's cute. They got 4 little German chippers. They turn on Saturday, 3 weeks old. Double cup, this big, fluffy. Look, I'll show you the picture. I was feeding them right now. Man, they're getting so big already. This is from the last week. Today, they 3 weeks old already and so fluffy, but this long.
So they gonna get big.
Because double coat.
Oh, damn. That's nice.
I had to give it away one of those, but there was blue eyes and everything.
That's the one I want.
Yes, her name is Princess. She's 2 years old.
How big is she?
It's about this tall.
There you go. Damn, dog, conversation started. I told us a hussy. Need some of that out too. I'm finna grab from over there. We need 2 sets of pliers. We trying to find some cheap shit. Now I'm trying to find the cheap pliers. I don't know. 6 weeks. Alright. You said name? Kofi?
What was it? Kofi?
Damn, fool, we really can't find no damn good pliers. That shit them expensive, man. We need a single socket. We need down. Here they go. We need a 21, and then we need an 18 ratchet. Alright, so these are, we're looking for metric. That go metric right there. 20, but they don't have no 18 on them. Go ahead. I gotta look at this list. Alright, we done shopping. Got a shitload of stuff. So, one of them slices. Loaded up, finna head back to start. It's hot as fuck in this car. I need to redo that goddamn thing. And then for the drink, I want I got that peach lemonade. You said I don't have it. I want the sub ham. 2, just the ham. I don't want any onions. No onions. You said with the fries or the wings. Oh, do the wings. Hot. No fries. The peach lemonade. Peach. 10-piece combo. Lemon pepper. Sprite the drink. Lemon pepper. Sprite. That's all. Alright. Appreciate it. Alright. Damn, nigga. Alright, I'm gonna put your ass out. I told you, that nigga go crazy over there. They sit my shit up there.
Damn, I can't even hear you gonna attack me, gang. Damn, gang. How the fuck you ain't know what this is, bro? This ain't for you, twin.
Found that shit out yesterday. I had first got in there and do nothing but just lay there. Ended up going to McDonald's. But as soon as that lady handed me that bad, but that nigga got to going down. Then got a personality about
the way up there, boy. Oh, God, this boy climbing on this side, bro.
Damn fool.
See what kind of wings you got in your shit.
I actually got hot.
Damn, twin, what's up, bro?
That shit got hot. That's why I just closed down. Alright, so we taking a pit stop. Girlfriend wants some ice. So we're gonna stop at the gas station and get some ice. Let's see. I know a lot of people like this. I personally don't eat ice. But a lot of people do so. Throw that top on there. Put in the pot. Cup of ice. Just like that. Move back in. That's that pretty motherfucker. Damn, that be dirty as hell. But we better go dry this out. Then we'll get back to work. Alright, so after dropping off the ice or whatever, we still ain't got back to work because we got to walk the damn dog. Because if he pee on my goddamn red seat, your ass really going to be for sale. Out on the side of the road. Hey, come on. You need to use the bathroom. It's hot out here. I know you hot. Come on. Alright, you can use the bathroom right here now. After he used the bathroom, then we going back to get started on the car. So I'm just gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the car and actually get to work and get the taking stuff out of the car. So I'll be right back. Jay got to the car, still eating. That shit good as fuck. And we bringing out new shit. There very well be a time lapse after I show y'all what we got. So I'm finna do a time lapse, bringing everything in, show y'all what we got. Then we gonna get to work.
Hey, I'm in my lane on some gangster shit. Whole time I been plotting like on some danger shit. And I was wildin', they was wondering.
Alright, so that's everything. We got the 3-ton jack that's gonna lift up the car to put the jack stands on it, and we're gonna also use it to, I think, get the cradle down. Oh, I forgot the dollars. Dollars make the work a whole bunch easier. You just sit your cradle on top of that and you can move it around. Instead of sliding across the floor, having 2 people to have to lift at the same time. Got your pit tool and the connectors. You got your rope so you can hold up the brake line. You got your 2 set supplies so you can get the e-brake out the right way. You got the torque set for your drive shaft. You got a screwdriver and a flathead in case you come across anything else that's tight. Of course, you need your normal handy dandy tool set. This is my travel one. It's missing a lot of shit, but it do the job. So get you one of them. This is the proper way to get your wheels out. Had to get this whole thing just cause we needed 18, so best believe that shit going back. And this shit right here gonna hold the car while we do the whole job. So also, if you've been in the field for a minute, you can get you some power tools. That shit make work a whole lot easier. But shit, we finna go ahead and knock this shit out. I'm finna start the time up, so y'all watch.
My brain went, I let them think, whole time it wasn't lost at all. And when you be fucked up, it don't be hard for folks to get lost at all. I'm just chasing money, I'ma pick up like every time it call. Message to my people, yeah, we finna ball. It's gonna be alright, but you might catch me talking to the moonlight. I'm thinking, like what I'm finna do tonight. Me and the Ace might link up, we broke out the zoo tonight. None of these niggas can't see us, I always win, can't beat me. Hey, get out the way, beep, beep, or get sweet. I ain't going for one thing, cause these niggas thinking shit sweet. I'm floating town with this 9 in my reach. If a nigga try play with my life, I'm putting his ass to sleep. He gon' wake up out his body, walking upstairs to G. And I feel almighty, this shit here legendary, but I ain't really doing shit. Let everybody else tell it. I think niggas be jealous. That fake shit gon' block your blessing. I don't even sweat it. I'm applying pressure, steady. Tryna swipe me something like Tevin. I hate to be spaghetti. Hate me for what? I got my own flow. Hop in the booth and I cook up. Every time I look up, I made a hit song. I fell in love with the headphones, speaking that real shit from the dome. I thought a fuck nigga said something. Hold up, a fuck nigga said what? Nigga said he on what type of time? Say you ready to go? I'm on a mission and I ain't done. Pull up, I pack, I smoke. Compare me to a wave, the way I flow. And I'm searching for better days. It's coming, I know. I ain't never losing hope. I'm in my lane on some gangster shit. Whole time I been plotting like on some danger shit. And I was wildin', they was wondering where my brain went. I let them think, whole time it.
Alright, we ain't had a socket that we needed to get the CBS off, so we had your local O'Reilly. Alright, so look, the size that we gonna need a 32 millimeter socket. I don't like these cherry pits right here at the front. Oh, I do. That one right there do it. Got the swivel in the front. I ain't gonna lie, I got ADHD. I get distracted by shit quick. But that ain't what we in here for. That's the sockets over here. I need 32. Alright, that's 30. It be say 32 half inch. Right. I just don't feel that though. I don't feel like they gonna fit. It say 32. Yeah, they at least got a deep well one. One thing they got is this 32. I was looking for 34. I see 35 and 36. They say online this is the one, but I don't know.
They might have a 33 in the bed, 33 and 34. But that's the only one they miss. It's a 35, 36. That is 32?
Yep.
Let me see. This should be the one.
The chart. A minute torch.
Oh, brake fluid too.
I think they take DOT3. Right over here. Come on over here. You see brake fluid.
They don't sell transmission fluid here.
Not for your car.
What is this fluid?
Look that up. Oh look. Damn, we gotta get reverse tail lights. It's safe for off-road use only.
Nigga finna go broke on parts, man. I just spent like $800 today, man.
What are you getting for $800?
I had to go buy some tools to replace my differential.
On the bright side, you only gotta buy it once.
Man, legit punch, man. Appreciate it.
I just need this right here.
There you go.
I appreciate it.
I thought they hold like $15, $20. Put the rest on card. That's for the tail. Just to be able to see the bag up. Just in case they don't work. I'm finna check them before we leave. Alright. $30 for the reverse lights. So we're gonna slap them on real quick though. Appreciate it. I like that one over there. You thought I was bullshit? Yeah, no. Damn. It would happen when you put shit back together too damn good. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, man, I said fuck that. We finna just go ahead and go back get to it. Man, say what's up. Alright, back to work. We had to make a pit stop. You know what I'm saying? I had to get something to drink. I know I ain't the only one that fuck with these. I don't know what this shit called. Brazil, whatever. Man, these hoes up. Gotta get you a taste of it. Oh, try that beach. You just him like that tiger blood. Alright, they do it. It was a safe flavor mash, and we gon' fuck it. Let's see what else we got in here that we can probably just, you know what I'm saying? What else we got in here we could just munch on? I think that should be it.
768.
768. No. Alright, thank you. They do it. Had to make the pit stop. Now we back to work. That bitch look good as hell walking up to it. I can't lie. Let's get back to work. I'll see y'all when we get back to the car. We back at the work. I ain't even put the reverse lights in yet. We're doing the same thing I'm doing. Chilling. If y'all didn't recognize what we're doing that time, let's be taking everything out this cradle, putting on this cradle. Basically, building a cradle from that cradle. Everything coming out of this one is for sale or getting trashed or whatever hell he decided to do with it. But we taking that shit off. We're not putting it back on this one. That shit gonna be bare when we get done with it. We're gonna put all this shit back on here. So I'm gonna start time lapse again so y'all can finish, get done, put this together. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all when it's done. Then I'm gonna do another time that's putting that hoe back in, and that shit about it.
Another time I'll be driving the hoe down the street. Yeah.
Then we'll get another one him going down the street.
Lost it all. And when you be fucked up, it don't be hard for folks to get lost at all. I'm just chasing money, I'ma pick up like every time it call. Message to my people, yeah, we finna ball. It's gonna be alright, but you might catch me talking to the moon. Like you don't know though, it's all good. Hey, it's Big Huncho. If you didn't know, I got a whole lot of knowledge. Okay, let me pop my shit. I'm one nigga, but I'm fly than two pilots. I jump on the beat, close my eye like a VR. I think I'm trying. I roll up this wood, get high than blimps. Now I'm the flyest. Come back to back, call me plays. I keep it real and shot, know I'm having shit my way. She said I can call on her for anything, so I'ma snap. I call, she pick up late. Hey, please don't play with Tay. Yeah, I love you, but rather not call you. So if we go out, don't say it's a date. Cause I ain't living like them and I ain't living like me. People living fake. And I make her smile, tell her she might be a part of my fate. I'm like, you beautiful, she like all tanks. And I woke up today, I'm like all thanks. Who really fucking with Huncho? Who really fucking with Tay? None of y'all ain't. And I'm in a hot box fishbowl, can't see out the windows, it's full of dank. Hey, please don't play with my life, bitch. This ain't what you think. Everything gon' work out in my favor, make a nigga ass get down and plank. And all you drink.
Alright, we done building this motherfucker. Feel like it took forever, but we built this one, and then they got the old one over there, completely gutted out. I don't know why. Yeah, there it is. But that's how that looks so far. We ain't taking none else off, but we gotta do some build. We put the springs in. We even changed the fluid in it, so it should ride smooth. Put the CVS in there, the brakes, everything. Now we finna put it back up under the car. So I'm finna prop this up right there. Nigga hands dirty as shit.
Oh God.
We finna prop the camera right over there again and put this shit back up under there.
This wood get high than blimps, now I'm the flyest. Come back to back, call me plays. I keep it real and shot, know I'm having shit my way. She said I can call on her for anything, so I'ma snap. I call, she pick up late. Hey, please don't play with Tay. Yeah, I love you, but rather not call you. So if we go out, don't say it's a date. Cause I ain't living like them and I ain't living like me. People living fake. And I make her smile, tell her she might be a part of my fate. I'm like, you beautiful, she like all tanks. And I woke up today, I'm like all thanks. Who really fucking with Huncho? Who really fucking with Tay? None of y'all ain't. And I'm in a hot box fishbowl, can't see out the windows, it's full of dank. Hey, please don't play with my life, bitch. This ain't what you think. Everything gon' work out in my favor, make a nigga ass get down and plank. And all you drink, make a nigga take these shots to the head. Dead head, you know what I mean? Tryna see how you think. This world getting colder, still ain't went by my mink. I been on my grind so far.
Alright, so check me out. We done. We righteous been done. But I ain't get the last video. My hair messed up cause it light. But I ain't get the last video. I had forgot. And plus I ready the hell from around there. Man, we had been working all day and we were tired. So I just ready to go ahead and get back and get me a little shower in. But before I end this video, I'm gonna see if I can get a video of the car running dry, cause he out having the time in his life right now. So I'm gonna hit him up in the morning, see if I can get a video on driving. Or I might just meet up with him somewhere and get the video, because I did leave my tripod as well. So see if I get that video. If I get it, it'll be on the next take. If I don't, y'all know what to do. Subscribe, comment, and another video on the way. Let's do it.
Go through a lot, I always overcome. Cause at the end of the day, I'ma still be me. I keep on telling on one day you gon' see me on TV. And I had got up out them streets, I couldn't let that conquer me.